I first received a proposal from the Economic Development Board to set up a Center of Regulatory Excellence when I was still CEO of the Health Sciences Authority in 2013.
I first heard about CoRE in March 2014 when Prof. Ranga, the then Dean of Duke-NUS, pitched the idea to me in his office. And actually at the time, regulatory excellence was a new concept for me.
When I first read the proposal to set up a center to train regulatory professionals and strengthen regulatory systems, I thought this was very important for Singapore and the region.
I was intrigued by the opportunity and CoRE's unique vision and decided to join before even meeting John.
In 2014, after I had left HSA, the center was established with support from the Ministry of Health, the Health Sciences Authority, and the Economic Development Board. We set up the Center of Regulatory Excellence at the Duke-NUS Medical School.
So as every new startup knows, we really face the challenge of setting up CoRE from scratch with a rather small team of 4.
CoRE is a very unique organization in combining regulatory capacity building, being a think tank, and providing advisory service. Our challenge now is to really focus on what more we can offer as the whole field of regulation grows and develops.
I was part of the pioneering team in CoRE to serve an education arm. As a former regulator from the Singapore's Health Sciences Authority, I saw opportunities to enhance the regulatory capacities in the region so that healthcare services can be improved for patients. I'm very proud to say that across 10 years, CoRE has built an extensive network of qualified trainers and experts who have contributed to the success of our workshops.
So CoRE's training program go beyond theory. It often incorporates industry's professionals' current knowledge and case studies into their designs. By integrating current thinking into its education programs and activities, CoRE addresses the full spectrum of regulatory issues, thereby fostering the growth of a community dedicated to regulatory excellence.
One thing that is very important is that CoRE is the first dedicated ASEAN center targeted at the need of NRA, the biomedical industry and pharmaceutical and medical devices companies. It's a neutral platform to help regulatory growth take shapes and create an environment in which regulatory policy can be developed.
We are dedicated to supporting our stakeholders who are the backbone of the healthcare ecosystem, while also nurturing the next generation of leaders. Our executive leadership initiatives such as the Sir Alistair Breckenridge Lectures, the annual CoRE Conversations, and the NUS Initiative to Improve Health in Asia, also known as the NIHA Leadership Program, and forums are all instrumental in shaping the creation of a formalized leadership program.
In the context of healthcare regulations, we are seeing an increasing convergence of regulatory issues that cut across health services, products, data, and even the professional domain. To address these increasing complexities, MOH will be transforming our healthcare regulatory ecosystem to better serve our population's current and future healthcare needs. CoRE has been a very valued partner in this transformation journey. CoRE support has definitely enabled us to advance regulatory standards and embrace new technologies, ensuring that we effectively safeguard public health while fostering healthcare innovation.
It's been an insightful journey for the past 2.5 years with the Health Regulation Group at the Ministry of Health Singapore. CoRE has been collaborating with MOH's Health Regulation Group to establish Singapore as a regional thought leader in healthcare services regulation. To this end, we have actively engaged in research and have facilitated knowledge exchange and networking. We've also brought together the APAC network of healthcare regulators in the hopes of fostering stronger relationships among the regulatory organizations in the region.
CoRE is integral to making sure that an agency is indeed as good as it can possibly be, that people understand what their role is nationally, and how their agency fits within the larger global regulatory enterprise. Because only in doing such can they be the quality healthcare agency that indeed their quality healthcare system demands.
CoRE and the Asian Development Bank have teamed up on regulatory system strengthening to enable timely access of safe, efficacious, and quality health products. This is done through a range of scientific and regulatory activities across the entire product life cycle. This work will strengthen the regulatory system and build regulatory resilience during public health emergencies among the Asian Development Bank developing member countries.
Well, I remember very vividly when we first came together for the initial CoRE scientific conference. CoRE was a very fledgling organization, and here we are today, a decade on, seeing how CoRE has made a difference, how it has been able to convene leaders from the region and around the world to make a difference in advancing regulatory science and improving medical products for people, and seeing how it's been able to influence policy and really underscore the importance of regulation in health systems and in serving the public more broadly.
Reflecting our journey, we are grateful for the support from our advisory board members, faculty, visiting experts, and our partners. A special thanks goes to everyone who has supported the CoRE Regulatory Excellence Fund. With your continued support, we hope to further advance healthcare and improve lives across the Asia-Pacific region and beyond. But beyond collaborations and partnerships, we have also made many memories, connections, and friendships with so many people. It has been a great honor to be part of this journey, and I have been at CoRE for
10 years,
1 year, 1.5 years, 3 years,
3 months,
2 years,
6 years,
1 year, 3 years, 1 year, 2 years, 2 years, 10 years, 4 months, 2 years, 1 year,
2 years, 8 months, 1.5 years,
1 year, 10 years, 2 years, 7 years,
10 years, 10 years.
Thank you very much for having journeyed with us over the last 10 years. As regulation continues to ever grow and develop to ensure the safety of our healthcare systems, continue being a part of the CoRE story in the future